And it's not glamorous work. Your drain is backing up. People see that Barker and Sons truck roll up and it's like, thank heaven you're here. We have different techniques, equipment, but you don't care about that. You just want it fixed. And fixed? Wesley, tell them about your last drain cleaning job.
It was bad.
What'd I tell you? We're good. You can leave early if you want.
On it.
Maybe have a shower?